Today we are going to make this kid's apron with a front pocket. The pattern I use is available at happysewing.com. If you want me to keep making these patterns and tutorials, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. The things I use in this video is the laces, scissors, clips and pins, a sewing machine and the pattern pieces. Notice that I have 2 apron pieces. I made my laces from fabric, so I start by folding and sewing them. The next piece is the pocket. I am going to sew the pocket pieces together like this. I sew the pocket lining inside out. I place it edge to edge on top of the pocket piece. I turn the pocket lining the right way out and sew an extra zigzag stitch around to keep it from ripping. I remove any dents or fold by pressing the pocket piece. I then place the pocket ribbon and I sew it. I measure the pocket to be in the perfect center of the apron and I sew it. I attach the laces with pins and I place the other apron piece on top of this piece. This has to be the wrong way out. I then align the pieces and I sew it. I leave a small space at the bottom so that I can turn the apron the right way out again. I sew the apron from here and around to here.
Skip the small talk, 'cause you know me better than
I turn the apron the right way out and I press it.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game.
Instead of just closing the last opening, I sew all the way around the apron again. It will balance the apron nicely. That's how I made this apron. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Happy Sewing.
And I know myself, oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped.
Thanks for watching and happy sewing!